Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Today we're going to be installing a tempered glass screen protector on my OnePlus 7 Pro. And that is because I have a scratch and a little bubble right on the center of my display. Screen protector was already on the OP7 Pro right out of the box. Shout out to OnePlus for that. And I wasn't going to bring in any screen protectors at all because I was digging what was already on here. But now with that little bubble and that little scratch, it's very annoying when watching movies and videos. I will zoom in and show you. There it is, right there. I know some of you are saying, are you kidding me? You can live with that. No, I can't. No, I can't. Now, if that was somewhere down in here, maybe. But that's really annoying. Look at that right there. When watching movies and videos, no way. So it's got to come off. And that's why I brought in some tempered glass screen protectors. And when I say screen protectors, it's because you get two of them in this box. Two of them. I will show you this. This is my backup plan if these don't work. IQ Shield has not let me down. So that might be for a later video, but for right now, this is what I'm going to use. There's two of them, so if I screw up once, I have another one. I shouldn't screw up. I've done this many times, but I am human, and it could happen. But for $8.99 over at Amazon, Sumoon is the name of the company, S-U-M-O-O-N. Yeah, for $8.99 you get two. So let's go ahead and do the install. Well, you know what? I'm going to go over to Amazon, because I already have a screenshot saved here. So you can see that they actually show two screen protectors there. 1, 2, plus the OnePlus 7 Pro. And don't fret, don't get all panicky when you see this box that comes in the mail and it doesn't look like that box. Still the same company. It says S-U-M-O-O-N, Sumoon glass screen protector. It just doesn't look the same. Okay, so yeah, when I took this out of the packaging that it came in, I was like, whoa, wait, is that right? And it is. So you get two of them. $8.99 is the price point. Sumoon for OnePlus 7 Pro screen protector, OnePlus 7 Pro tempered glass, 9H hardness, case friendly, anti-scratch, bubble free. So it says case friendly. I'm going to be using my UAG case as one of the cases that I'm going to test out. And my Poetic Affinity case as well. I'll leave the links down below in the description area for these cases as well. Shout out to both of these companies for sending me these cases for review. Super stoked about that, and super stoked to be able to use them in this video to see how well this tempered glass screen protector is going to do on my OnePlus 7 Pro. So with that being said, we're going to get into this packaging here and do the install. There's number one, number two. Use the instructions if you've never done this. Use everything that's here if you've never done this. For me, well, I kind of do it my own way now. But we do have some instructions on the back of the box and right here. Disclaimer. Please follow these instructions if you've never done this. I'm only going to do it my way because I've done it many times. If I screw up, that's my fault. We're going to turn off my OP7 Pro because it's a lot easier to do the install that way. A lot easier. And we're going to take screen protector. Man, this hurts to do this. This is the wet wipe. I just want to make sure everything is nice and perfect. And then we'll get the dry wipe. All right, there we go. You do have a black border there. And you should just place it down like that. I'm thinking I went a little too far down here. Lift it gently, lay it down. Everything looking good so far. I don't feel any kind of gapping, and we got to test the fingerprint reader out as well. So I'm going to wipe it down, and there's no peeling up going on. It looks like everything, just a little bit of gap there, which is really good. That's what you want. That's what you want. Okay, I'm going to turn on my OnePlus 7 Pro. I forgot that I had turned it off. Okay, so the UAG looks like it's doing what it needs to do. This is the Poetic. Everything looking good there too. Yeah, a little bit of gap there, and that's what you want. You want a tiny bit of gap so it doesn't hit the edges of the case or cases that you're using. Everything. I can feel that gap right there. That's good. That's good. You don't want any lifting. That looks really good. So we're going to turn on the OnePlus 7 Pro, and then we're going to test out the fingerprint reader, and I'll be right back. Okay, we're going to test out the fingerprint reader with the Sumoon tempered glass screen protector. I may have to reset my fingerprint. Yeah, it looks like I'm going to have to reset it. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So I'll be right back again. So I just reset my fingerprint on my OP7 Pro, one fingerprint. I'm going to go out, shut the display off, and there you go. So you'll have to reset your fingerprint. Maybe it'll work for you. I don't know, but it looks like that's what you're going to need to do. And just like that. So no issues whatsoever. Bam. We're going to go ahead and make sure the touch response is working great with this tempered glass screen protector on my OP7 Pro. There's the fingerprint reader. We know that that's working just fine. Okay, everything working great there. My Google feed, everything working great there. App drawer, very nice and fluid. 90 hertz refresh rate is amazing. Can't go wrong. Everything responding the way it should on my display with this tempered glass screen protector. No issues whatsoever. Smooth as it can be. Here you go. Links to the UAG case, the Poetic Affinity, tempered glass screen protectors down below in the description area. Thanks for watching, everyone. God bless. Peace. I'm out.